Can you see that? That is snow, people. That's a lot of snow, people. A lot of snow. Yeah, we have got a lot of snow out there. Yikes. That's a lot of snow. For one, I'm glad that my husband didn't pick for us to go to see the lights, you know, the drive-through lights that we're going to on Friday, but he picked Saturday. So not today, but he picked tomorrow. And you're going to be seeing this on Saturday, and then Sunday you'll see the lights, because I am going to put out a video to show you the lights. But I'm sure that they'll have the roads cleared by tonight, and the people will be fine tonight for it. It'll be cold. It'll be cold tomorrow night, but it's the way it is. It's winter. Winter is upon us, folks. Let me give you some major wintertime vibes. Look at that. Look at how deep that stuff is. Just white as far as the eye can see. Yeah, I know that it's dirty on here, but I guess I could open it, but I don't know. Will snow come in? Let's see. So I don't let out any heat. There you go. That's the look outside. Ooh. I'm glad that my husband is able to shovel us out of this, because last year, or was it the year before, I can't recall, he was in a bad way where he had a hernia and he had to go through surgery, so he couldn't shovel us out. And the neighborhood kid wanted $25, something like that. I'm like, that's outrageous. Just for our little piece of the driveway. We didn't want him to, we even mentioned, we didn't want him to have to shovel our rest of our driveway, the extra part of our driveway, just where the two cars park in. That's it. It's just this small little way. And then the sidewalk, the neighbor next to us already did. And so just our little bit of a driveway, and then up the steps to walk. That's it. It wasn't much. It was just a really small area. So fortunately, I was able to, at that time, get out there and go as far as I could on my hose. Took me a while, but I got it shoveled. And it took me a while. But I wasn't going to. That kid, shouldn't they have known and thought, well, our neighbor, she's, you know, disabled, on disability, and I don't know. I don't know if people even think before they speak. Granted now, I don't know if I'd be able to do the shoveling like I did then. I don't know. And I'm grateful that I was able to do it then. I just wish we didn't live where there was so much snow. Sometimes it usually doesn't snow with this. It hasn't. snowed this much lately. I promise. We only usually get less and less snow every year. Because we used to get the lake effect. And that was a lot. Lately it hasn't been that much. But look at it now. I recall I told someone recently that we don't get a whole lot of snow in this area where we haven't. But now we are. Again, we haven't in a whole lot. We get some, but nothing like when I was younger in this area. Look at it out there now. I don't know how many inches that is. That's several inches. I'll have to look it up, see what it is. I could guess that that's a good 6 inches out there. That's a guess, but I think so. Okay, enough about the snow. I've been on this thing where I've been doing videos every day. And I've missed a couple of days, but I didn't miss them because I did do a couple of shorts. So it's not like I missed the days. If you'll look, I did post some shorts. So I didn't miss the days, I did short videos. So I guess I can't say I missed. Just the longer form videos I didn't do. But tomorrow, lights. The Christmas lights, the beautiful Christmas lights. You'll see. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.